A downward move of 2.3% in Uniswap is anticipated by May 23, per Traders Union. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. Uniswap has posted a 0.6% decrease today and is now near the $3.611 level. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. Gov Capital Collector suggests the chart could show $3.649 by May 23. That would be up by around 1%. Coin price forecast foresees Uniswap heading for $3.62, roughly 0.2% more than the current price. 30 Rates points out it could drift down to $3.598, a projected decline close to 0.4%. Another estimate by Traders Union suggests Uniswap could be on track to $3.528, a fall close to 2.3%. Finally, digital coin price expects a slide to $3.492 by tomorrow. That's 3.3% under current price. This is the best return scenario. All 5 predictions are done. Let's move on. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a decline of 3.3% and an increase of 1%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, digital coin price stands in first place with 3.3% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could see a return of between $2 and $33 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, coin price forecast stands as the most probable, with a 93.8% likelihood. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Consensus data indicates Uniswap could move toward $3.577. Let's take a closer look. Consensus calculations highlight a 1% loss in price. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $10 in gain. And when it comes to probabilities, the consensus forecast for Uniswap carries about 91.1% likelihood. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. An advance in value is projected by Gov Capital Collector. Coin price forecast indicates only marginal movement ahead. 30 Rates highlights an upward outlook for Uniswap. A bearish outlook is projected by Traders Union, pointing to a decline. Also, digital coin price sees Uniswap losing ground. According to the consensus, Uniswap is unlikely to break out of current price levels. Altogether, 60% of forecasts indicate an upward direction, highlighting positive expectations for Uniswap. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $3.608. The closing price showed that every forecast missed the mark. Coin price forecast delivered the most accurate forecast. Now let's break it apart. As we can see, only one forecast fit the daily range. Regarding ROI, just one analyst avoided losses, coin price forecast with 1.6%. Now on screen is the overview table. All results at a glance. For today's numbers, Traders Union had 72.4% forecast probability and minus 0.8% in profitability. Accuracy came in at $0.163. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Uniswap and a few other cryptocurrencies. Uniswap is placed in third position for tomorrow's potential returns, with NEAR showing 8.4%. Currently, Uniswap is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view is already included on my website. That's the end. Subscribe and keep watching how new forecasts compare each day. See you soon!